Alright guys, we're here at the South Point, so I will give you guys a quick walking tour of the South Point. And hopefully we won't get in trouble for this one. So we're trying a new setup here. I got the Seeker with the Karma Grip and the Hero 7, so we'll see how this works. So over to the left is the Crown Royal Bar and the box office here. Over to the right is Don Vito's. They also have a prime rib place here. Like a breakfast thing that's really good early in the mornings that you'll have to check out. But South Point is probably one of my favorite off-the-strip casinos to gamble at. I really like it. They got Steak and Shake here too. Restrooms on the left and right. They also have a bowling alley here. It's huge, gigantic. I think there's like 48 lanes there. Over to the right, you have the lobby bar, a bunch of table games here. Try and tell you what the limits are as we walk by. So over to the right is the Garden Buffet. Over to the left is the Garden Buffet is over to the right. Del Mar Lounge is over on the left. And straight ahead is going to be the poker room. Over to the left is the sports book. So far, so good. Haven't been stopped for filming yet, so we'll try and do a little bit more. Hopefully we can get it all covered. Century Theater is here, Steak and Shake is here, and then they have Zinsen. It's a Chinese restaurant that is also pretty good here. The Garden Buffet, though, I wouldn't recommend it. The wife and I ate there once, and it wasn't really that great. Nothing to hoot and holler about. More bathrooms over to the right.
When I was a kid, I thought she said it was 9.
And the poker room is straight ahead of us here, and Century Theaters is back over this way, but we'll leave off with you, grab a little bite to eat at Steak and Shake. So I hope you all enjoyed this quick little walkthrough, and you all have a great day.